Hey there Candy Crush lover, stuck on that one level that makes you wanna throw your phone? Chill, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete hard levels in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. Always make moves at the bottom of the board when you can. It creates a ripple effect and gives you more chances for cascades and combos. Got chocolate to clear, jelly to smash. Don't just match random candies. Play for the mission, not the points. Every move should bring you closer to that sweet goal. Match 4 or more candy to create stripped, wrapped or color bomb. And when you combine them, oh, it's chaos in the best way. Try color bomb and stripped candy and watch the magic. Save those boosters for when you are really stuck. And if you are gonna use one, use it wisely. Don't waste a lollipop hammer on a candy that's not blocking your win. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can complete hard levels in Candy Crush Saga.